Good morning, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Ben with Glasses On. These are rare episodes, so thank you for joining in. Today we're doing a ceramic coating on Nick's Model 3. You know I've done the review of this car already. Also, right off the bat, to answer your questions, we have no idea what color these wheels have been powder coated. Nick went back to the guy and asked him, hey, what color are the wheels? And he deflected the question. He would not take it. So it looks like space gray is my estimate. So there's a close look at them. Yes, they look amazing. This is a 21, as you can see by the anodized black metal trim. It's a 21 model, and these are the 19-inch sport wheels, just powder coated in a different color. He had them swapped out. Basically, as soon as he got the car, he traded his stock wheels that came with this for these wheels that are absolutely beautiful. So that's your answer on that. But we've got the car totally washed up here. He's just finishing the wheel on the other side. We use the hydrophobic ceramic infused soap. And then we're also going to be using the ceramic coating. And then first you put on the wax and grease remover. So yeah, we're going to be using these two products here. Again, use code Jeebs June or Jeebs July. It goes by the month. So you'll save 25% on their website. And if you're interested in their products, that's a nice discount for you. So the car is perfectly cleaned up. I'm going to show you the process of getting the ceramic coating on. Car looks amazing out here. Still very low mileage. This is a standard range 3, and we're going to get it cleaned up. So this process is pretty easy, but it's definitely better to do with 2 people, especially when it's 90 degrees at 6 in the morning. Yeah, so this is the prep. We're going to be spraying this onto a panel, then we're both going to go over the panel, make sure it's all removed. Do that process the entire way around the car, then switch over. Yeah, this is nice to be in the picture. And then we're going to switch over to the ceramic coating, which we're going to repeat that process and cover the entire car. So here we go.
Sorry to interrupt the video here, but I think this is worth your time. I've partnered up with Charity Stars again, and they are giving away this Ram TRX. The proceeds from this giveaway benefit globalgiving.org. If you're not familiar with the TRX, it's a 702 horsepower truck. It has a Hellcat motor in it. You can see the suspension here is totally absurd. It has Baja mode. It does 0 to 60. It says in 4.5 seconds. I'm pretty sure it's in the 3s because this thing is crazy fast. Anyways, all of the information is down in the description below. Go to charitystars.com/Jeebs. $10 gives you 100 entries, and it ramps up from there. It goes to a great organization, and you have the opportunity to win arguably one of the coolest trucks of all time. Check it out, link in description, charitystars.com/Jeebs, and you will have the chance to win this truck. And maybe you win this truck and you're like, I don't want it. You can sell it and take the cash anyways. charitystars.com/Jeebs, win this truck plus $10,000 to pay for taxes and any insurance. Good luck.
All right, so here's a look at the car after layer 1. You'll start to get like a high gloss to the car, and it's going to be fairly slick. It's the next step that we take after we start to wipe the ceramic coating on there. It is a 0 friction game, folks. Hydrophobic, just look at this. I get up every morning and I say the pledge to them. Next layer is when you really see the difference of the slickness of ceramic. Well, the process is complete here. The car looks pretty incredible and just has this really slick feel to it. I don't know how to show you that on camera, but it's slick, take my word for it. The main thing when you're doing this is if you can have someone help you, that makes it go by a lot quicker. Also, use one side of the towel to spread the ceramic and the prep coat around. Once you're done with that side and it's been spread, you then flip it over and buff out the excess. That's the main thing here. if you've never done this before, but it's not too complicated. Don't be intimidated by it. This is not like the professional, gonna last 10 years solution. Should be done, recoated. You can do it every 6 months. And also I've done, I think 3 or 4 cars. Where's the bottle at? And after 3 or 4 cars, you can still see, you actually can't. The bottle is about halfway full, maybe a little more than halfway full. So this is gonna last you probably more than 2 years. You're not gonna be doing this constantly. You probably do it twice a year, maybe you do it 3 times a year. But it just depends on, does it rain a lot where you're at? How harsh is the weather? Out in Arizona, it's very hot, but it doesn't rain ever. So twice a year, maybe even once a year, you could get away with and you're gonna be fine. And then using the hydrophobic ceramic waterless wash as like a quick detailer will help maintain that, along with this silica soap. Now the silica soap, my one complaint about it is it doesn't foam up that much, but it is SiO2 infused, so that's why it doesn't. But yeah, the results are amazing, and that soap also helps maintain the ceramic coats that you've put on. So that's it. The car is washed up, it's all complete, looks amazing. We're on to the next. Wheels look really cool. But yeah, the car, when the sun hits it, I mean, the shine you get from the ceramic is unbelievable. Just a really nice, affordable way to do ceramic if you don't get it professionally done. So, yeah. Away we go.